Ang DT Dumaguete machine ay ginagamit na 7 araw na may 104 total meters. Printer head, capping, head clean, punasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. After head clean, nozzle check. Ink tank, tama lang po. Ground wire, EVR, waste tank, nilinis lang po ito ng subado. Ito na lang yung stock namin. Ito naman po yung media. Ito naman yung Sable consumable monitoring namin. Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, sublimation paper. Ito naman yung delay output record namin. Printer delay checklist.